Hey folks, so I'm doing a quick unboxing on a couple plants. So let's take a look at them. They're shipped in nice kernels things. We don't want to show off my address here. Okay, so these were purchased by Bloomify off Etsy, but they have their own website too. But for some reason, the Cobra lily is not shown on their website, so I have to get it off Etsy. But anyway, I forgot to check the water on the last one I bought, but I went ahead and got another one. And I also wanted an orchid, the Arangus Kochiana, which I wanted to mount on the wall. So I found one that would it's not a pure miniature, but a mid-sized orchid, and can handle, I think, drier conditions based on my research. So now let's take a look at them. I don't see it, do you? Interesting. Oops. Ah, lovely. A nice, healthy specimen. Let me zoom in on it. Look how nice and happy and healthy it is. I'll have to acclimate it to drier conditions. It was probably grown in humidity and will dry out fast. And then, here we go, the Arangus Kochiana. It's a fairly common African orchid. So now we'll take a look. And I'll be taking it off this wood mount and mounting it on a cypress knee on the wall, but ain't she a beaut. Now in the past they've given little hooks to hang it on, but now they have a little hole there. So anyway, another nice happy plant and has a good root right there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and happy planting.